If grizzly bears were to exist in Africa, it would create a fascinating and potentially problematic mix of ecosystems. Grizzlies are typically found in North America, where they are adapted to cooler climates, dense forests and mountainous regions. Africa, on the other hand, is home to a wide variety of wildlife, such as lions, elephants and rhinos, and spans diverse environments from deserts to rainforests and savannas. Here's how the introduction of grizzlies could affect Africa. Ecological disruption. Grizzly bears are apex predators, meaning they sit at the top of the food chain in their current habitats. If introduced to Africa, they might compete with native predators like lions, leopards and hyenas. This could disrupt the balance of the ecosystem, especially in areas where food sources are already tightly contested. Habitat challenges. Grizzly bears are adapted to cooler, more temperate environments, so they might struggle in the warmer, more humid climates of much of Africa unless they found specific habitats at higher altitudes, like the Ethiopian highlands or parts of the Atlas Mountains. Conflict with human populations. Grizzlies are known to sometimes pose threats to human populations in North America, especially when their habitats overlap with human settlements. In Africa, where human-wildlife conflict is already an issue, the presence of grizzly bears could exacerbate these tensions, especially in rural areas. Impacts on other species. Grizzlies are omnivorous and opportunistic feeders, meaning they would likely have a broad diet, potentially impacting species that are not typically preyed upon by other animals. For example, they might compete for fruit, fish, or small mammals with species like baboons or various antelopes. Cultural and conservation implications. Africa is already home to iconic species that are important for conservation, such as elephants and rhinoceroses. The introduction of a new large predator like the grizzly could shift the focus of wildlife management and conservation efforts, with some species being impacted more than others. In short, the presence of grizzly bears in Africa would likely lead to ecological challenges and would require significant changes to the way wildlife is managed on the